What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are dealing with the truck. That is an issue. So we are going to be pulling the truck out right there, spot laid out. We're pulling it out, and then I'm going to be pulling all of that and putting it here, and the truck is going to somewhere. The truck is getting fixed. Finally. It's been broken for, what's it, May now? So 8 months, 9 months. So we're getting it fixed finally. But first, before I can pull it out, wheels are blocked by stuff on that side and by stuff on this side. So I'm going to pull this stuff out of the way, and then we'll pull the truck out onto the driveway. Alright, theoretically the tires are cleared on both sides, so out she goes. I'm just going to keep those up there. Let's see if this works. Oh, I forgot how cramped it is in here. Oh man. Oh. My knee is touching the steering wheel. Foot on the brake. Drop that. Foot off the brake. Come on. Can we get rolling? Come on. Come on. Why are you rolling back, you son of a bitch? No, stop rolling back. Come on. Oh. Okay, it's onto the driveway. Truck on the driveway. Only took me about 3 minutes. Clean that out of the truck bed. She's out of the garage. First time in a long time. Wood against wall. Little corner. I might get some help with that one. That's kind of bigger than I thought. We got the garage cleaned out. So let's just get this stuff out now. This is a lot of stuff. So a lot of this stuff is going to go between donate and being sold on like Facebook or eBay. And I'm going to like find a way to sort that out. Some of this might just go to the dump too. Okay, so what I'm thinking is probably putting the stuff we're going to donate up here, and the stuff I'm going to sell there. Because a lot of this is sellable, it's just like a question of eBay, Craigslist, Facebook. And the stuff that I can't sell, I'm just going to donate. So yeah, let's go. I think what I might actually do is just unload the truck fully and then sort it. So, I'll be back. I'll be back once this is all done. You know, it's kind of amazing the amount of stuff that was in the back of that truck. So we've got it all cleared out. I now have a clear path to my Mini. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this truck. We don't know anything about it, really. It's a 1970 Chevrolet C20 with the LS9 V8. The fuel tank is here, but it's got the stuff for a fuel tank to be underneath the bed, so we don't know why that is. It's not running, and we don't know why. there's a hole in the carburetor. Focus. Focus. There's a hole in the carburetor. And it's got an oil leak. That's not factory, obviously. We don't know what it runs to. Probably that. That's a lot of corrosion that wasn't there last time we had this out. Yeah. Other interesting things about this C20. Back here, the light fell out. So it's being held in place with a piece of wood, and that's not the factory light. These wheels are Dodge wheels, not Chevy wheels. This is not factory carpet. This truck is a crackpot. Oh, and open. On the, okay, give me a sec. This was the shift knob when we got it, and we found the factory shift knob in here with all the registration stuff. This is everything we know about it. That's everything we know about it. The restore job was not very good, I just want to point out. Because that doesn't look restored to me. That looks rusted to death. In the meantime, so this is going off on to be towed somewhere because it won't even drive. I'm going to figure out what in here is sellable, try and sell it, as much of it as I can, because I'm going to try and finance a build for my car. Like, not finance, like, loan finance, but like, I'm going to try and pay for the build for my car with some of this stuff and other stuff, or I'm going to try and start some sort of e-commerce business with this so that I can pay for the build for that, because I've got a big build planned for that, but it's like somewhere around 12 grand worth of stuff. Yeah. But otherwise, I think that's kind of everything. So until next time, goodbye.